Good morning children, welcome to the English class. So my children, today we are going to start a new poem from your literature book, and the name of the poem is Kangaroos. The name of the poem is Kangaroo, and the poet of the poem means who has composed this poem? John Cotton. John Cotton. So my children, I am going to show you the poem and that I will explain you. We will discuss about poem in our previous chapter. As you all know, we have discussed about the kangaroo. Kangaroo is having very jolly nature. They love to jump. Their mama kangaroo keep their babies in their pouch, in their pocket. The mama kangaroos are very kind and they keep their babies in a pocket, and their babies are called Joy. So my children, we will discuss about kangaroo, and we will read the poem, and then I will explain you. Okay, so let's start it. So my children, you can see that the name of the poem is Kangaroos. You can see in this picture the kangaroo is looking very jolly and very funny and jumping. You can see this kangaroo. So we will read the poem and I will explain you. Kangaroos are hoppy. Kangaroos are fun. If you want to catch a kangaroo, you will really have to run. Kangaroos are hoppy means kangaroo loves to jump. Kangaroos are fun. They are very funny. And if you want to catch a kangaroo, you will really have to fun. So my children, as I told you that kangaroos love to jump. They do a lot of fun. They jump all the time. So if you want to catch a kangaroo, you have to run after the kangaroo. You can see in this picture as this boy wants to catch the kangaroo, and the boy is running after the kangaroo, and kangaroo is going to jump and jump and jump. It is looking so funny. So my children, kangaroos love to jump. They are very funny, and if you want to catch a kangaroo, you will have to run after the kangaroo. Kangaroos are jumpy, bounding over the plain. You can't hold down a kangaroo cause he will bounce up again. So my children, kangaroos are jumpy means they jump all the time, bounding over the plain. They leap. Bounding means leaping. They leap over the plain area, open plain area. They jump over the open plain area. You can't hold down a kangaroo cause he will bounce up again. Suppose if you want to catch a kangaroo, same as this boy, if you want to catch a kangaroo, you have to run after the kangaroo first. And if you will run after the kangaroo, you want to catch it, you are not able to catch it, because if you want to catch it, it will take a bounce. जैसे ball bounce करती है ना, when you push the ball on the floor, it will bounce and bounce. You cannot catch it. Same. If kangaroos are very funny, they love to jump. So if you want to catch it, you will not be able to catch it, because if you catch it, they will take a bounce again. So now next, kangaroos are tough guys. They can box as well. If a kangaroo should hit you, your head rings like a bell. Kangaroos are tough guys means kangaroos are very strong. They can box as well. They can do boxing. They can even hit you. If a kangaroo should hit you, your heads ring like a bell. If you want to catch a kangaroo, you will run after a kangaroo and you are going to irritate the kangaroo. They are very strong. They can even hit you. And if they will hit you, your head rings like a bell means you feel like your head is ringing, means you feel confused. You feel confused that time. See how strong they are. And if you will disturb the kangaroo, they can hit you. Kangaroos' mums are kindly. For their young, they have a pocket where babies can feed and feel quite as safe, while mums take off like a rocket. So my children, as I told you that mama kangaroos keep their baby in their pouch. So mama kangaroos are very kind. They keep their young ones in a pouch, and their young ones, their babies feels very safe. their babies feels very safe in their mother's pouch when their mother take off like a rocket. Means, or every time see, you can see this kangaroo love to jump. You can see their babies are in the pouch and they feel very safe when their mama take off like a rocket. Means वो rocket की तरह जब jump करते रहते हैं, their babies feel safe in their mother pouch. So my children, this is all about the poem Kangaroos, and this is very interesting poem. Read it very carefully and do the worksheet that I am going to send you. And the author of the poem is, writer of the poem is, poet of the poem is John Cotton.